Before you hit submit on your tax return, stop. Because one small mistake could cost you thousands. Right now, families across America are feeling the pressure. Rent is higher, groceries cost more every week, gas eats into your paycheck, credit card balances keep climbing, and for many households, that tax refund isn't a bonus, it's survival money. It's the money that catches you up on bills, puts food on the table, or gives your kids a little breathing room. But here's the scary part. Millions of taxpayers are about to file without realizing the IRS has changed how returns are reviewed, delayed, and flagged. And if you're not careful, your refund could get stuck in limbo for weeks, or worse, trigger an audit you never saw coming. This video is about you, your family, and your wallet. Today, we're breaking down exactly what you must know before you file. What's changed, what mistakes to avoid, how to protect your refund, and the one move smart filers are making right now. Stay with me, because what you're about to hear could literally save you money. Why tax filing is riskier this year. The problem isn't just filing your taxes. The problem is filing them blindly. The IRS is processing more returns than ever while fighting identity theft, fraud, and system backlogs. That means stricter automated screening systems are now scanning every return for inconsistencies, missing data, and mismatches. Even honest taxpayers are getting caught in the net. A typo, a wrong digit on income, a forgotten form, a mismatched bank account. Any of these can trigger delays or verification holds. Many people assume, if I use tax software, I'm safe. Not necessarily. Software only checks math, not whether your data matches IRS records. Key risks happening right now: increased refund verification delays, more identity checks, longer processing timelines, higher chance of refund freezes, greater scrutiny on credits. The IRS isn't accusing you, but their systems don't care about intentions. If your return doesn't match their database exactly, your refund can get stuck. And when your refund is part of your monthly survival budget, that delay hurts fast. Mini summary. Filing fast is no longer enough. Filing smart is everything. How this hits your real life. A delayed refund isn't just inconvenient. It can create a financial domino effect. Imagine counting on your refund to pay rent, clear a credit card, fix your car, or cover medical bills. Now imagine that money doesn't arrive for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or longer. Late fees pile up, interest grows, stress skyrockets, family tension increases, and suddenly, one small tax mistake snowballs into real hardship. For many Americans, refunds aren't luxury money, they're emergency money. Real-world consequences include missed rent or utility payments, overdraft fees and penalties, increased credit card interest, borrowing money at high rates, emotional stress and anxiety. Your refund is part of your financial stability. When it's delayed, your entire household budget can collapse temporarily. That's why understanding what the IRS is watching before you file is so critical. Mini summary. A refund delay doesn't just slow you down, it can knock your entire financial plan off track. The surprising trigger. Most people miss. Here's the part most people never think about, and this is huge. One of the biggest triggers for IRS delays right now is mismatched income reporting. That means if your employer, bank, gig platform, or benefits provider sends numbers that don't match what you enter, the system flags you automatically. Even a small difference can pause your return. Side hustles, freelance work, online sales, crypto, interest income, multiple jobs. All of these create more chances for mismatches. Common mismatch mistakes. Forgetting a small 1099 form, entering net income instead of gross missing interest or dividend income. Incorrect employer, EIN numbers. Typing errors on wages. The IRS already has the numbers before you file. Your return must match what they received, not what you remember. That's why gathering every form and double-checking totals is more important than ever. Mini summary. If your numbers don't match the IRS system exactly, your refund could freeze automatically. Credits under the microscope. What gets extra scrutiny? Tax credits put money in your pocket, but they also trigger the most audits. Credits like the child tax credit, earned income credit, education credits, and energy credits are powerful, but they're also heavily monitored because of past fraud abuse nationwide. If anything looks inconsistent, dependents, income limits, filing status, the IRS may request proof before releasing your refund. High-risk credit areas include claiming new dependents, changing filing status, large refundable credits, education tuition claims, energy upgrade claims. One missing document can pause your refund for months. That doesn't mean you shouldn't claim what you qualify for. It means you must document everything properly and ensure accuracy. Mini summary: credits bring big money, but they demand perfect paperwork. Banking details: the simple error that causes major delays. Your refund can arrive if the bank information is wrong, and this happens constantly. One wrong digit in your routing number or account number can cause rejected deposits, mailed checks, or lost processing time. If you recently switched banks, closed an account, or used a temporary account, double-check everything. Important reminders: confirm routing and account numbers. Make sure the account is active. Avoid prepaid card limitations. Ensure the account matches your name. A refund sent to the wrong place creates weeks of cleanup. Mini summary: bank mistakes don't just delay refunds, they complicate recovery. Identity verification: why more filers are getting flagged. Identity protection is tighter than ever, and that means more verification requests. If the IRS suspects identity risk, they may pause your return until you verify who you are. That can involve letters, online verification, or even phone appointments. Triggers include address changes, device changes, or unusual filing behavior. If you get a verification notice, don't ignore it. Respond quickly. Follow instructions exactly. Keep confirmation records. Ignoring verification letters can freeze your refund indefinitely. Mini summary: identity checks protect you, but they require fast action. Digital vs paper: why e-filing matters more than ever. Paper returns move at the speed of yesterday. Electronic filing processes faster, reduces errors, and provides confirmation tracking. Paper returns face longer delays, manual errors, and processing backlogs. If you're still mailing returns, consider switching. Benefits of e-filing: faster processing, immediate confirmation, reduced errors, faster refunds. Mini summary: e-filing dramatically reduces risk and delays. Scams and fake IRS contacts: don't fall for this. The IRS will never demand payment through gift cards, crypto, or text messages. Scammers ramp up activity during tax season. Fake calls, emails, and texts try to scare you into sending money or personal information. Protect yourself. Never share SSN by phone. Verify letters directly. Use official IRS channels. Ignore threatening messages. Mini summary: fear is a scammer's favorite weapon. Refund tracking: what the status really means. Where's my refund doesn't always tell the full story. Statuses can stay unchanged for weeks while processing continues behind the scenes. Don't panic too early, but know when delays exceed normal timelines. General timelines: e-file, 21 days, paper 6 to 8+ weeks. Verification cases, longer. Mini summary: patience matters, but awareness matters more. Tax professional or DIY, making the right call. Complex returns deserve professional eyes. If you have multiple income sources, major life changes, or complicated credits, professional review may prevent costly errors. DIY works best for simple W-2 situations. Mini summary: the right help can protect your refund. Organization is your secret weapon. Messy paperwork creates expensive mistakes. Organize documents early, keep digital copies, track income sources, store confirmations. Mini summary: organization saves money. The one move smart filers are making. Here's the move that separates smart filers from stressed filers. They pause. They review everything twice. They don't rush to file blindly. They verify documents, banking, and credits before submission. Speed feels good. Accuracy protects your money. Mini summary. Slow down to move faster financially. What you must remember. Let's lock this in. Double check income. Verify banking. Watch credits carefully. Respond to IRS notices. Avoid scams. File electronically. Stay organized. Your refund deserves protection. Your money matters. Your family matters. Your future matters. Filing smart protects your stability, your peace of mind, and your financial momentum. The more informed you are, the more power you hold over your financial future. Don't let small mistakes steal big money from your wallet. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss critical financial updates. Share this with someone who needs protection this tax season. Stay informed, stay empowered, and I'll see you in the next update.